morning, it's Big D here, Flapjack and Beads. We're having a little fun in the workshop, so I thought I'd just flash this little video up for you. We've got Tossasaur here, and we've got Major Mo somewhere wandering around. There's Mick. Say good morning, Mick.
Morning to afternoon to the channel.
Yes, and we've got his white KTM. Now, I know a lot of people didn't know that they make them in white, but yeah. This is the proper colour now. He's just changed his mind after getting rid of his orange shed.
Orange or black. I know it's
orange or black. So yeah, it's a little bit mucky because he hasn't cleaned it yet. But yeah, it's just like mine. As I say, he got the same deal. And this is what we're going to put on today. He's got his, how did you say that word? Voigt Moto Technique. Hey? Diddly diddly lump risers. So these are what we got, like I've got on my bike, which I'm finding them very well. I'll just show you them over here, look, so you can see what we're talking about. These are what we're putting on, these babies here. As I say, they come up and back to you, so that should be okay. Thing is, to remove with the T40 Torx adapter here, look, loosen these babies off. He's still got his green sticker on, look, Mick, passed his test.
Oh, very tight.
No, not weren't either. Not very tight at all, was it?
Hello, Gareth.
Go on, Mo!
Hello, Gareth.
Putting that tin behind there. Just take the diagonal ones out first. When Mo comes, I can take them all out.
You know what's out on them,
yeah.
Not even tight, these, Mo. Two of them weren't tight. Oh, yeah. I was going to put a bit of tape on there.
Oh, yeah.
Roughly to see where they are, but they'll be different though, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Just,
We've not moved them.
Put a bit of masking tape on there, Mo.
Here's Major Mo. Say hello to the channel, Major Mo. He's been shirking off, look. Say hello, Mo.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Just so we know the central, Mo. We put it on outside.
Just a bit of masking tape there.
I know it's.
So we know where they are. Lovely, Mo.
What, in the marking that?
No, because it's got degrees on it anyway, Mo.
Well, how's that rolling working then?
It works off it. It works on the top, so.
Take the bracket off now, Mo. Yeah, take that one off now. Right, you go down there and he'll be the lifter and Mick can put his risers on then. Don't lift it yet. Right, so lift the bars up, Mo. Go forward. That's it, just like that.
Yeah,
you can see the markings here, look.
These are Allen keys, they're not Torx.
Oh yeah.
Going they're a lot better further back, aren't they?
Yeah, they are better further back, definitely. So the first riser's going on there, as you can see. You can see now, if you put the camera there, you can see how far back it's brought where the bars were here. And the bars are now going to be here. So what's that? I mean, it's a good, what is it, mil? 40 mil?
No. I can't think what it is. I think it's up 25 and back 30.
Oops. Yeah, it's up 25 and back to 30. As you can see on the instructions here, look. German made, you see? Oh yes.
Oh, they're very nice.
And here's Elmo.
Yeah.
We're using the good old Loctite 243, which has gone on the bolt there. Mick's now putting on the second riser here, look, as you can see. With a bit of a blue dab on it, as we call it. There it goes, look. Beautiful. Beautiful. Birdie the hole. Oh, we need an Allen key. Did you get an Allen key ready? I've got my torque wrench ready anyway. It's 23 Newton meters torque. Yeah, they're very well made, aren't they?
Yeah, well, that's machined out.
Yeah. Well, they should be as well for the, not just the cost. I mean, they come from German, blokes made them. They should be right, shouldn't they? So, right, Mick's got his torque wrench ready now with his Allen key. And now, is it the front ones first, isn't it?
Is it the front ones first?
I think so.
Don't really matter on these because it's different.
Yeah.
You ready, Mel? Wheel.
There we go. Right, typed up the second one. That's it.
Come out.
It's come out now. It likes a tight fit, doesn't it?
It's tight and there's a bit.
Perfect. People remember when you're doing torque settings, you have to, when it clicks, you stop. So I see so many people tighten it up, they click, can't carry on. Perfect. Perfection there, Michael. There you go. Look at those beauties. You can actually see now how well back you are now, look. Major Mo's got the cow's horns in his hand, look. Right, well, it's over to you now.
That's going in back of there, doesn't it? Normally you tighten the back ends up, don't you?
Yeah.
That back end up there, right? Is it going in?
It's going in with hand.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So we've got them all on nice and loose. We've followed the lines on the lines there.
Is it right?
Right.
I'm just going to get the torch, have a little look on the torch. Put the windows over my eyes. And I'd say it wants to go that way a little bit, doesn't it, the bar? Don't you think?
Oh, presumably we'll end up with that, isn't it?
Yeah, well, that doesn't mean it was right first time. But that bar line now wants to come down a little bit more. That's it. Whoa, so
it does look a bit longer this side to that side, doesn't it?
yeah, if it were me, I'd pull the bars this way a bit more towards me. Just wibble and wobble them through towards me a little bit. That's it. That's it. Wait a minute. Bit more. Bit more.
Miles off.
Bit more. Come on, Mo. Bit more. I think there.
That ready to race is it middle on your?
Yeah, I think you want to go a bit more yet, Mo, towards me. Just a bit more. Bit more, Mo.
Bit more.
Bit more. Bit more, Mo.
That's it.
That's about there. Right, let me look at lines now. So you're on the 0 here. Yeah, you're okay. You're good there. You're good to go. Bars were never on rate, were they?
No. Well, they've moved, haven't they? They weren't tight with it at the start.
Check mine while you've got that in your hand. Right, so there we go. Let's take the back ones, both back ones. Love that sound.
That'll be it, Mellors.
Yeah. Yeah, our friend Mella, he knows how to tell come up, doesn't he, Mo?
Yeah. Oh, no, I'll go there regular.
There you go.
Yeah, you don't set that very well. Pleasant and Gareth, when you think about it. You could have seen these two more, they were fucking loose on mine.
Yeah.
But the handlebars have moved about.
Well, you don't know who's done it, but yeah, it's just worth mentioning. You can see there now, if you look at the gap there, the masking tape, we've had to pull that, what, 12 mil across, or 10 mil at least, isn't it?
It's a good 6 mil.
Yeah, across. So yeah.
We're a mile out.
But there they are now. You get your little plastic caps, look, which I think are the piece de resistance. See, look, Michael's putting them in now. He's like a rocket. He's like a rocket.
Rocket. Right.
Beautiful. Then he can sit his little arse on the bike and see what he thinks.
And just the mirrors then.
Yes. So back to the 14mm spanner. There you go. On his new shed. Does it feel strange, or does it feel... Forget about mirrors, just feel bars and just look forward now and feel on bars. How does it feel?
Yeah, so.
Yeah? Does it feel better on your shoulder?
Your shoulder weren't bad, to be fair, from last time after I had that chiropractor.
Yeah. We've got a bit...
I don't think the bars need adjusting.
Mirrors?
The mirrors should have said, yeah, but I've wound them. Until you ride it, it's hard to say.
Yeah. Well, you've got a bit of a kink in your elbow, haven't you?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they look good. You can say this would be in middle, but I don't know whether it should or not.
I don't know, because I'll get these off at Super.
Oh yeah, they are. Yeah, you've got a different one. Mixed fitted Super Duke, shiny black. Are they metal?
I mean, you can't solid with that plastic.
Yeah.
Well, the bar end weight's a lot. There's, went to have a look at the drop down as he drops them down.
Yeah, we're going to measure you that. That women, that's on my list. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings to the top. Let's have a look what I've got. Yeah, I've got 3 rings. We have the completed motorcycle now, ready to go. He's got to get it washed now. Toss a saw. Filthy bike, Michael. Filthy bike.
Washed today.
You're not going to get washed today? Hey?
I'm doing the worktop.
Have you? And this is Major Mo's faithful shed, look. He's turned from the newest in the group to the oldest in the group now. Well, KTM wise. Oh, Mo. This is Mo's padding, look. He has a special design padded seat, don't you, Mo?
Got in, I want that other seat on.
Yeah. And these are Mo's risers, look. Straight from China.
Yeah.
Mo's.
20 quid.
20 quid, yeah, but these weren't Mo. These were 100 and 200 quid from KTM, these bouncy ones. They're the Raleigh bouncy ones, aren't they? But yeah. Looks like your bike needs cleaning and our Mojo. Hey? Oh, it's getting ready well, going flattening off now. Yes. Well, you've got 2 trips abroad booked, haven't you? He has on, look, there's his fanny bag, look. He has a little Wunderlich fanny bag. Is that what you keep your phone in?
Yeah.
Yes. And we're plugging down here on the little port there, look, that's where we plug in these heated attachments here, which mine wasn't working on Saturday. But yeah. Oh. Really, really. The mighty orange, or the mighty white. Brilliant. And then you have a little that he turns on in here on this little remote. Red to go, red to go. There we go. We're on, we're on. Right, Mo. Ride safe. See you later. Ready, Mo? Oh yeah, it's like phone club. Just like phone club. Look at Mo. Mo's typing in his music now. Bit of John Denver. Right, Mo, he's on. His head's wobbling, so you know he's getting music. Oh, Mo. Oh. Right, ride safe, Mick. Talk to you soon. Ciao, Mo. Ciao. There's one gone. There's the other one gone.